So there's a Thai restaurant down the street from my house, and man, they make some banging Thai fried chicken wings. So I had to make it. But sit tight, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. As always, go ahead and screenshot the ingredients, gather everything, get everything together, and let's get into this recipe. Alright, so here's everything. So first thing, we have our washed and cleaned chicken wings and all that good stuff. We have our cornstarch, fresh ginger, scallions or green onion. We have our white pepper, garlic paste, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, fish sauce, and sweet soy sauce. So go ahead and gather all your ingredients, get everything set up, and we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. All right, let's get into this marinade. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our fish sauce. Now we just only want to use maybe like 2 to 3 tablespoons, just enough to add flavor, to help coat the chicken, and to assist with making a wet batter with the cornstarch, so just enough to do that. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some sweet dark soy sauce, just enough to kind of help add some sweetness to this dish because the fish sauce is salty, so you want to add just a little bit to kind of help balance that, so like a tablespoon of that. Then we're going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon of ground white pepper. After that, we're going to go ahead and add maybe like a 1/4 cup or a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Then we're going to go ahead and give this a mix, get everything nice and incorporated. And then you'll notice when we start to mix it, we're going to get this wet like batter, almost like a tempura batter, but it's not going to be as plentiful. And then we're going to let this sit to the side for maybe like 20 to 30 minutes in the refrigerator while we get everything ready for the sauce. All right, the sauce is very easy to make, to be honest with you. The first time I made this, I literally just eyeballed everything just to try to get a feel for it and to see what it tastes like and see if I can get it as close as the place I had it. But I got it very close, to be honest with you. So, but I put together these measurements for you that's going to help you out to get close as I did. So I used 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of the scallions, or pretty much add as much as you want to add in that. I added white pepper, so like a 1/4 or maybe a 1/2 teaspoon of that. The pepper flakes you can add if you want to, because they add a little heat to this, which in my opinion is great, but if you don't like heat, don't add it. You can add that to taste too. The garlic paste, I added a teaspoon of that. And the fish sauce, I added maybe like a 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of that. The dark soy sauce, I added a tablespoon of that. And then I added some brown sugar also because the soy sauce wasn't enough to get that sweetness I wanted. So I added the brown sugar to kind of help balance its flavor out because the fish sauce, like I said before, is a little salty. So you want to add a little bit of that. And then once you do that, give it a mix and let it sit so everything kind of marry together. And then set it aside, and we're going to go ahead and get into frying the chicken wings. All right, so to fry these, you can use whatever oil you have. If you have canola oil, peanut oil, or vegetable oil, you can use that. But just don't add too many pieces of chicken at a time because it will cool the grease down and will start boiling versus frying. And be careful because I don't want you to burn yourself. Get the temperature maybe to 325 degrees because we don't want the chicken to burn, because remember, the dark soy sauce will make the chicken turn dark. So be careful with how much you add in the beginning and it won't be as dark in the end. But at the restaurant I went to, they was dark. They was darker than this actually, but they was delicious. So trust me, don't let the darkness bother you. It's not burnt, it's just the soy sauce kind of make the chicken turn a little bit brown, almost like caramelizing the chicken. So get that in there, fry it a little bit, and then take them out, let them rest, and we're going to go ahead and double fry these. So once we get all the chicken fried up, we're going to get the temperature to 375 degrees. After that, drop them in for like a minute or two, and remove them, let them drain, and then we're going to plate this up. When I tell you the chicken looked just like it did from the restaurant, I promise you, it looked just the same. Then we got the sauce that we made earlier. And I went ahead and added some sriracha too, because in the restaurant, we had sriracha, we had that fish sauce, and we also had some type of brown ginger garlic sauce, which helped take this chicken to the next level. I promise you, it was a warm sauce that complemented this chicken very well. In your local area, look for any Thai restaurant, and when you go inside, tell them you want to get the Thai fried chicken wings, and you want to pair it with like a noodle dish like pak kimao or pat siu or pad won sen. Get yourself a bottle of that sriracha, get that fish sauce, and some of that brown ginger garlic sauce. I swear to God, you're going to be in the coma after you finish eating this. I promise you. But anyway, if you like this video and you like the recipes that you're seeing so far on the channel, go ahead and give me a subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you think about everything inside the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one.